Hey there, welcome to the tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an awesome intro for your videos using CapCut. First things first, open up CapCut and start a new project. Now you'll need to grab the image and video from the link in the description. I've got them ready for you. Pop that video into your timeline. Right-click, hit copy, then right-click again and paste to duplicate it. Make sure they're perfectly aligned by stacking them on top of each other. Now, click on the top layer, head to Cutout, scroll down, and check Auto Cutout to ditch the background. Trim the main video's duration a bit and drop in that cool sky image at the end. Adjust its size to match the top layer. Easy, right? Now, scoot over to the Transition tab and snag the ink transition. Slap it onto your video and tweak the duration to your liking. Select the overlay video, trim it until just before the transition begins, and hit Fit to Zoom for a better view. Still with me? Let's dim the lights a bit. Click on the Adjustment tab, slide brightness all the way down, then hop over to Basic, scroll down, and set brightness to -50. Now, at the start of the overlay video, add a keyframe for opacity. Click the diamond icon, drag the opacity down to 0. Move your playhead just before the transition kicks in, and crank that opacity back up to 100. Boom, another keyframe is born. Now, let's see our masterpiece in action. Pretty cool, huh? Who knew you could pull off such a slick transition in CapCut with just a few steps? If you found this helpful, do me a solid, hit that like button, and if you want more, subscribe. Your support means the world. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be there to help. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.